How to remove CapCut template watermark. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove CapCut template watermark. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your CapCut. After you open up your CapCut, simply import a video that you want to edit. So I'll just do that here, and I've just started this project here. Now, as you can see on the top left, there is a small CapCut watermark. And if I want to delete that, what I'll do is first I'll remove this and export this video. After I export this video, I'll edit it in my phone. So just let it export. So after you've exported it and open it up in your gallery, tap on the edit option. And there you should see the crop section. So simply crop it a little. And after you crop it a little, it should be just fine, and tap on done, and with that your CapCut's watermark is now gone. And that is how you do it, guys. That is how you can remove CapCut watermark template from your video. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.